Hello guys, today I am going to show you how to make an heart shape easily in Adobe Illustrator. First, open a file and take a rectangle. Then make the corners rounded. You can round the corners any way you like. There are a few tricks or ways to make the corners rounded. I will go to that in another video. Then make the rectangle 45-degree angled. You can do this 45-degree angle by holding shift and rotating it. Holding shift and rotating it. This will give you an absolute 45 degrees. Now if you can't do this, you can just go to transform option and type here 45 degrees. This will also give you an absolute 45 degrees if your original position is 0 degree. So I'm going to make a copy of it and then rotate it again to its 45 degrees. Now align the shapes. There are many ways you can just make the heart shapes out of it. If you just get Y option, you can see that I need this shape to make heart shape. You can use pathfinder tool, or you can use shape builder tool, or any other ways you want to take out this heart shape. I will use the shape builder tool to make the heart shape. You can just add these, or you can just extract this or then add to make the heart shape, or you can use the pathfinder tool, like use the divider tool, then ungroup and just delete, then unite tool in the pathfinder. You can do it any way you like. There is no single way to do this. There are multiple options for you to do this, but the easiest way is to use the shape builder tool. Just select both of the shapes, delete the shapes and join the shapes. To delete the shapes, you need to press Alt. See, the plus icon will become minus icon. Okay, the plus icon will become minus icon when you hold the Alt button and click this. Or you can just drag this along the three shapes and you can take it out. This will give a heart shape you want very easily and very fast. You can if you have difficulties using mouse and keyboard at the same time, you can just use the pathfinder tool. This will help you make the heart shape easily with only the mouse. Thank you for watching my videos. See you later and another videos. Thank you.